I'm back again. This time I'm going to temporarily install the cam cover so I can check the side-to-side play on the cams and make sure that they're shimmed properly. I have two different cam cover gaskets. One is measuring at 28 thou, 30. This one's a bit thicker, I believe. Oh, no, 28 thou. So, temporarily placing gasket on the motor. Ooh, let's not use that gasket. I found an imperfection. Since they're both the same thickness, I will use the prettier of the two. There. Now I'll place the, let's do a little bit of goobering. Just wanted to slime this up. There. I'm not going to use any gasket sealer yet because this is just a temporary placement. There we go. There we go. Now, for now, I'm going to use these beaten and ugly screws. When I build the thing and put this cam cover back on for good, I will use brand new, pretty looking ones. Of course. But for now, I can use these ugly ones. Oops. Now I'll give you another pro tip. Do not use a normal flathead screwdriver on these. That's why these are all misshapen and deformed. Someone in the past has used gorilla strength and an ordinary flathead to try and close these up. Only ever use hollow grind. They fit so much better and have a much less tendency to pop out. So I'm just going to spin these down. I'm not worried about doing a cross pattern right now until I torque them up. what I'm going to do is once I have these all set, I will check to make sure that the flywheels still rotate freely so that I can be sure that none of the camshafts are binding. When we're sure of that, I will continue to tighten these screws down. All right. Okay. Okay, now give them each a beating. The impact driver, make sure that they're good and tight. And guess what I forgot to do? Just check to make sure that everything rotated. Not rotating. Oh, good. Whew. All right. There we go. This assembly lube that I use is really thick, but I can tell it's working just fine. There we go. So, luckily for me, everything's rotating perfectly, so that means there's no binding. Next step, I will flip this back up onto the engine stand, and we will do the side-to-side clearancing of the cams. So that's it for this one. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know the drill. Thank you.